It's July. If prospecting feels harder, there's a reason. By now, most sales teams are seeing cracks in their prospecting plans, and it's usually because of three things. First, the cadence has slipped. Reps get busy and start skipping outreach. Second, the messaging hasn't evolved. What worked in Q1 might not land now. Third, no one's reviewing conversion data. Teams keep pushing the same tactics, even when they're no longer producing. Here's your move this week. Audit your prospecting rhythm. Are reps still following the plan? Has volume dropped? Then look at what's converting. If LinkedIn messages are outperforming cold calls, shift the focus there. Prospecting fatigue is real, but it's fixable. When you reset your strategy mid-year, you keep your pipeline strong through Q4. This is Kendra Lee with your weekly sales tip, helping you re-energize your prospecting strategy and keep revenue flowing. Drop me a line or visit klagroup.com. See you next time.